Attention small business owners, marketing professionals, freelancers, digital marketing students, funders, co-founders, startup owners, and CEOs. Are you struggling to take your business to the next level? Are you facing challenges in reaching your target audience and generating consistent leads? We understand your pain points. In today's digital age, it's crucial to have a strong online presence and effectively market your products or services. That's where social media marketing and Facebook ads come in. Our comprehensive Facebook ads course is the ultimate solution to your business growth challenges. We'll teach you the strategies and techniques to harness the power of Facebook and Instagram ads and propel your business forward. Imagine being able to precisely target your ideal customers, increase brand awareness, and skyrocket your sales. With Facebook and Instagram ads, it's all possible. In our course, you'll learn how to create compelling ad campaigns that grab attention, optimize your targeting to reach the right audience, and leverage the advanced features of Facebook's ad platform. Here are some of the most important benefits of using Facebook ads. Targeted advertising. Facebook ads allow you to target your ideal audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more, which can help you reach the people most likely to be interested in your product or service. Cost-effective advertising. Facebook ads can be a more cost-effective way to advertise than traditional methods, such as print or TV ads, allowing you to get more bang for your buck. Increased brand awareness. Facebook ads can help you increase brand awareness by reaching a wider audience and getting your name and message in front of more people. Increased website traffic. Facebook ads can drive traffic to your website, increasing the number of visitors and potential customers who see your products or services. Lead generation. Facebook ads can help you generate leads by encouraging people to sign up for your email list, download a free resource, or take another action that puts them into your sales funnel. Sales and conversions. Facebook ads can help you increase sales and conversions by targeting people who are most likely to purchase your product or service. Improved customer relationship. Facebook ads can help you build relationships with your customers by allowing you to communicate with them directly through comments, messages, and other forms of engagement. We'll also dive into analyzing data, tracking conversions, and refining your strategies based on real-time insights. You'll gain the knowledge and skills to make data-driven decisions that yield impressive results. Don't miss this opportunity to learn from industry experts and join a community of like-minded individuals who are dedicated to growing their businesses. Enroll in our Facebook ads course today and take your business to new heights.